Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to allow and how to prevent a Theme Store app to display notifications on our lock screen in a Realme 14 Pro phone. First, we need to go to our phone's settings. Then in settings we need to scroll down a bit to notifications and quick settings. Then we need to tap the lock screen menu here, and here we have the list of applications that we can change. So we are interested in the theme store at the very bottom. Of course, at the top we have the big button to turn them on, all on or off, and the theme store is here. So right now I turned it off, so theme store won't be able to send notifications when my phone is locked. Pretty simple, pretty easy. That's all. Goodbye.